Have you ever spotted a bright pink spiky fruit or a massive bumpy green one in your grocery store? These are tropical fruits: dragon fruit, jackfruit, mango, and coconut, now global favorites. People crave them for their unique flavors and the sense of adventure they bring to our tables. Their journey from distant farms to your kitchen is a story of hard work, innovation, and global connection. Farmers master the art of cultivation, while entire industries handle cleaning, sorting, and packaging to keep these fruits fresh across continents. These fruits aren't just eaten fresh, they're transformed into snacks, drinks, and ingredients that create jobs and connect cultures. Let's peel back the layers and discover the ingenuity behind your favorite tropical treats. Dragon fruit, or pitahaya, with its vibrant skin and green scales, began as a Latin American secret. Only a century ago did it reach Asia, where countries like Vietnam and China turned it into a multi-billion-dollar crop. Today, Asia leads global production, with China now outpacing Vietnam. Dragon fruit's rise is fueled by its health benefits, rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, and healthy fats from its edible seeds. Its journey from wild cactus to international superstar shows how global trade can transform a local delicacy. Now, dragon fruit is a prized treasure in fruit bowls worldwide. Its story is one of migration, adaptation, and the world's growing appetite for new, healthy foods. The dragon's treasure is no longer hidden, it's celebrated everywhere. The journey of growing dragon fruit begins with a crucial step: selecting the right soil. Farmers look for loose, well-drained earth, rich in organic matter, because dragon fruit roots need plenty of air and space to grow strong. Preparing the land often means months of careful planning, testing, and amending the soil to ensure it's just right for these unique cacti. Next, sturdy concrete posts are installed across the field. These posts act as the backbone for the climbing cactus, providing the essential support structure that allows the plants to reach for the sun and grow tall and healthy. Farmers carefully select cuttings from only the healthiest, most vigorous dragon fruit plants. These cuttings are then tied to the posts, ensuring they have the best possible start. This method not only encourages rapid growth, but also helps prevent disease and ensures uniformity across the plantation. To protect the young plants, a layer of mulch, often rice straw, is spread around the base. This mulch helps retain precious moisture in the tropical heat, suppresses weeds, and gradually enriches the soil as it breaks down, creating a healthier environment for the roots. Consistent watering is vital, especially during the early stages. Farmers monitor soil moisture closely, making sure the plants never dry out. Alongside water, balanced fertilizers are applied to provide essential nutrients, giving the young dragon fruit every advantage to thrive and develop strong, productive stems. As the plants mature, farmers employ innovative techniques like artificial lighting. By extending daylight hours, these lights encourage the cactus to flower more frequently, transforming the harvest cycle from just 3 times a year to nearly 10, dramatically increasing yields and making dragon fruit available almost year-round. Careful fruit thinning is another key step. By removing smaller or excess fruit, farmers ensure that only the best, largest dragon fruits mature. This not only maximizes quality, but also allows the plant to focus its energy on producing sweeter, juicier fruit. Every stage of cultivation blends time-honored traditions with modern agricultural innovations. From hand tools passed down through generations to the latest equipment, farmers adapt and evolve, always seeking better ways to nurture their crops. The result of this dedication is a harvest of consistently sweet, high-quality dragon fruit, each one carefully picked at peak ripeness and destined for markets around the world. After harvest, the fruit is sorted and packed with meticulous care. Only the finest specimens make it into the boxes, ensuring that every bite delivers the signature taste and texture that dragon fruit lovers expect. Behind every dragon fruit is a story of patience, expertise, and unwavering dedication. A testament to the farmers who transform barren fields into bountiful harvests, season after season. Harvesting dragon fruit is a hands-on job. Workers carefully snip ripe fruits and gently place them in crates to avoid bruising. At the factory, fruits are weighed, sorted, and washed with soft brushes and water sprays. Automated rollers and electronic scales grade the fruit by size and weight, while human inspectors check for perfection. Only the best fruits are packed, often with protective foam, and labeled for traceability. For strict export markets, fruits may undergo treatments like hot water dipping or irradiation. Boxes are stored cold, then shipped worldwide in refrigerated containers. This blend of technology and human care ensures top quality. Every dragon fruit's journey is tracked from farm to table. The result? Flawless fruit, ready for your next snack. Jackfruit, the world's largest fruit, is truly a marvel of nature. Each fruit can weigh up to 30 kilograms, sometimes even more, making it a true giant among fruits. Its sheer size is impressive, but what makes jackfruit even more remarkable is its adaptability and the many ways it can be enjoyed. Jackfruit is prized for its incredible versatility in the kitchen. From savory curries to sweet desserts, it can be transformed into countless dishes, both traditional and modern. Chefs and home cooks alike celebrate its unique texture and flavor, which can mimic meat or shine as a sweet treat. Native to the lush landscapes of South and Southeast Asia, jackfruit has been cultivated for centuries. Today, it thrives across the tropics, from India and Bangladesh to Indonesia and the Philippines, adapting to a variety of climates and soils. Thailand stands out as a major producer, exporting jackfruit and its products worldwide. The fruit is a staple in local markets and a source of pride for many farming communities. When ripe, jackfruit reveals a golden yellow flesh that is sweet, fragrant, and distinctly tropical. Its flavor is often compared to a blend of mango, banana, and pineapple, making it a favorite for eating fresh or adding to desserts. In its unripe form, jackfruit takes on a completely different character. Its fibrous texture makes it a popular meat substitute, especially in vegan and vegetarian dishes. From pulled pork sandwiches to tacos, unripe jackfruit is celebrated for its ability to absorb flavors and provide a satisfying bite. Farmers begin the journey by planting jackfruit seeds or grafted seedlings, nurturing them with care and patience. These trees require several years to mature, but the wait is worth it for the bounty they eventually provide. Once mature, jackfruit trees can produce dozens of massive fruits each season, offering a reliable and abundant harvest for generations. Harvesting jackfruit is a delicate process. The fruits are not only heavy, but also easily bruised, so great care must be taken to avoid damage. To safely bring them down, farmers often use long poles or even float the fruits down canals, cushioning their fall and preserving their quality. In processing facilities, skilled workers carefully separate the edible pods from the tough rind and sticky latex, ensuring that each piece is ready for further transformation. These pods are then vacuum fried to create crunchy jackfruit chips, a popular snack that retains the fruit's vibrant color and natural flavor, while offering a satisfying crunch. After frying, the chips are spun in industrial centrifuges to remove excess oil, making them lighter and healthier. Each batch is carefully inspected for quality, then sealed in airtight packaging to lock in freshness and flavor until they reach consumers. The journey of jackfruit from towering tree to delicious snack is a testament to human creativity, resourcefulness, and respect for nature's gifts. Whether enjoyed fresh, cooked, or as a crunchy chip, jackfruit is a fruit that feeds, nourishes, and inspires innovation in kitchens and communities around the world. Mangoes, often hailed as the king of fruits, are hand-harvested with great care to avoid damaging their delicate skin. This meticulous process ensures that each mango reaches you in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed. Workers use poles or pick by hand, leaving a bit of stem to prevent sap stains. This traditional method is crucial for maintaining the fruit's quality and appearance. Once harvested, mangoes are washed, sanitized, and sorted by automated scanners for size, color, and ripeness. These high-tech machines ensure that only the best mangoes make it to the next stage. The finest mangoes are packed fresh for immediate consumption. Others are transformed into frozen cubes, dried slices, or juice, offering a variety of ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. In the processing facilities, machines and skilled workers peel, dice, and process the fruit, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Every part of the mango is utilized to its fullest potential. Dried mangoes become chewy treats, while juice captures the taste of summer year-round. These products allow mango lovers to enjoy the fruit in various forms, no matter the season. Every step, from orchard to package, is meticulously designed to ensure quality and freshness. Rigorous inspections guarantee that only the best mangoes reach the consumer. Mango processing blends time-honored traditions with high-tech efficiency. This combination ensures that the fruit retains its natural goodness while meeting modern standards. The result is a global favorite, enjoyed in countless forms. From fresh slices to dried snacks and refreshing juices, mangoes offer something for everyone. Mangoes connect people and cultures through their irresistible flavor. Whether at a family gathering or a cultural celebration, this beloved fruit brings joy and unity to all who partake. The coconut palm, known as the tree of life, offers food, drink, and materials for millions. Harvesting coconuts from tall trees is a challenge. Farmers use water-filled canals to cushion falling fruit. Once collected, coconuts are husked by machines, washed, and sometimes wrapped for sale. A hole is drilled and capped for easy drinking. The coconut's journey continues as its water is filtered and bottled, and the white meat is separated for oil or dried products. Every part is used: water, meat, shell, and husk. Coconut oil is cold-pressed for cooking and beauty, while the meat is shredded or dried. Nothing is wasted. Each coconut is transformed into multiple products. The coconut's versatility sustains economies and traditions worldwide. Coconut processing is a masterclass in zero waste. After extracting water and meat, the fibrous husk, coir, is shredded, dried, and compressed into bales. Coir is woven into ropes, mats, and baskets, and used in gardening as a sustainable soil additive. Biodegradable coir pots and soil mixes help plants thrive while reducing environmental impact. The white meat is cold-pressed into virgin coconut oil, preserving nutrients and flavor. Leftover pulp becomes coconut flour, a gluten-free baking alternative. From water to oil, fiber to flour, every part of the coconut finds a use. This sustainable approach benefits both people and the planet. The coconut truly is a tree that keeps on giving. The journey of dragon fruit, jackfruit, mango, and coconut is about more than food. It's about connection and opportunity. For millions of farmers, these fruits mean stable incomes and stronger communities. Global demand transforms small farms into economic engines, creating jobs and driving innovation. Logistics, processing, and retail networks bring these exotic flavors to tables worldwide. For consumers, these fruits offer new tastes, healthy options, and a window into distant cultures. Every bite is a celebration of hard work, ingenuity, and global collaboration. The next time you enjoy a tropical treat, remember the journey it took to reach you. These fruits connect us all, one delicious bite at a time.